Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to delete Riot Client from your PC. Now let's say that you have lost 2 ranked games in League of Legends in a row, then you closed League of Legends and tried to play some Valorant, then you had a 10 game lose streak and now you are getting so mad and you want to uninstall or delete Riot Client. It's very simple and easy. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and please, before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. All you have to do is to go to the search bar, then type add or remove. And as you can see here, I have this option right here, add or remove programs. You should choose it, tap on it. Then here in this search bar, you should type the program that you want to delete, which is here in my case, Riot Client. You just have to search on it, then simply click on it, then click on uninstall, and that's all. Congratulations, you have uninstalled Riot Client and you won't get mad again because of playing League of Legends or Valorant. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new tutorial.